Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Pilates, a dynamic exercise method that not only strengthens your core but also enhances flexibility, improves posture, and boosts overall body control. Get ready to unleash your core strength and discover the incredible benefits of Pilates. Introduction to Pilates. Pilates is a unique exercise system developed by Joseph Pilates that focuses on building core strength, promoting proper alignment, and improving overall body awareness. It's a low-impact workout suitable for people of all ages and fitness levels. Core strength and stability. One of the primary benefits of Pilates is its emphasis on core strength. Through controlled and precise movements, Pilates targets the deep muscles of the abdomen, back, and pelvis, promoting core stability and improving posture. Improved flexibility and range of motion. Pilates combines strength with flexibility. By incorporating stretching and lengthening exercises, it helps improve flexibility and range of motion in your joints. Increased flexibility enhances athletic performance and reduces the risk of injuries. Posture alignment and spinal health. Pilates is renowned for its focus on proper posture alignment. The exercises promote spinal mobility, strengthen the muscles that support the spine, and improve postural awareness, helping to alleviate back pain and enhance overall spinal health. Body awareness and mind-body connection. Pilates is not just a physical workout, it's also about building body awareness and developing a strong mind-body connection. Through precise movements and breath control, Pilates fosters a deeper understanding of your body's capabilities and enhances your ability to move with grace and control. Improved muscle tone and definition. Regular Pilates practice leads to improved muscle tone and definition. By targeting specific muscle groups, Pilates sculpts and strengthens the body, giving you long, lean muscles without adding bulk. Rehabilitation and injury prevention. Pilates is often used in rehabilitation settings due to its low-impact nature and focus on controlled movements. It can aid in recovering from injuries, improving mobility, and preventing future injuries by strengthening the stabilizing muscles around joints. Breath control and stress reduction. Pilates places a strong emphasis on breath control, which helps promote relaxation, reduce stress, and enhance mental focus. The deep, mindful breathing practiced in Pilates exercises has a calming effect on the nervous system. Getting started. Essential Pilates principles. Before jumping into a Pilates routine, it's important to understand the fundamental principles that guide this exercise method. Let's explore the key principles of Pilates. Concentration. Focus your mind on the movements, paying attention to every detail. Centering. Engage your core muscles, the powerhouse of Pilates, to initiate and control movement. Control. Perform exercises with precision, maintaining control throughout each movement. Precision. Execute movements with accuracy and proper alignment, ensuring optimal benefits. Flow. Maintain a smooth, flowing motion during transitions between exercises, promoting grace and efficiency. Basic Pilates exercises for beginners. Now, let's introduce some basic Pilates exercises that are perfect for beginners. Remember to listen to your body. Start with proper form, and gradually progress as you build strength and confidence. The 100. A classic Pilates exercise that strengthens the core and improves overall body circulation. The roll-up. Targets the abdominal muscles and promotes spinal flexibility. The bridge. Activates the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, enhancing core stability and strengthening the posterior chain. Pilates equipment and studio options. While Pilates can be done on a mat, there are various specialized equipment and studio options available for a more diverse Pilates experience. These include reformers, Cadillacs, and Pilates chairs. Exploring these options can add depth and variety to your practice. Pilates for everyday life. Pilates is not just a workout, it's a way of life. Integrating Pilates principles into everyday activities, such as sitting, standing, and walking, can help improve posture, core engagement, and body alignment. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of Pilates. By incorporating Pilates into your fitness routine, you'll unlock your core strength, enhance flexibility, improve posture, and nurture a deeper mind-body connection. So, get ready to embark on this transformative journey of Pilates. Stay committed, stay dedicated, and I'll see you in the next video.